Love you. What's your name?
My name is Officer Iverson.
Good.
All right, go in this ring.
No. I don't want to do it.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. We're diving into a DUI arrest that happened in Sumner, Washington on May 5th, 2023. The case involves Amber, a woman who claimed to be the wife of a police officer and thought this connection would shield her from the law. Spoiler alert, it didn't. This case perfectly highlights the principle that no matter who you are or who you're married to, the law applies to everyone equally. Let's get started.
Hi, Sergeant Curley, Sumner Police Department. You're being recorded. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
What's going on today? Why are you all over the roadway in the other lane of travel?
I'm trying to go home.
Okay, but you're in that lane of travel. Back there.
But when it comes to this, I've known you're just trafficking.
Okay. Can you go ahead and shut the vehicle up for me? Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can I see it, please? Can I see your driver's license, please?
I do.
Is this a friend of yours over there? He's a police officer? Huh?
Yeah,
Okay. Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages tonight, man? Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages?
No.
Any reason for your mannerisms tonight?
No.
Any reason for your slow reaction to things?
Absolutely not.
Can you go ahead and step off the car for me?
I will not.
You will not? Okay, that's fine. I'm going to wait for another unit and we'll have a conversation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an insurance and registration for the vehicle?
Absolutely do.
Can you get those for me, please? There's no weapons inside, correct?
I do have weapons.
You have a weapon inside there?
Absolutely.
What kind of weapon do you have in there?
I have a 380.
Okay, well, I should go ahead and keep away from that for you. You have a concealed weapons permit?
Yeah,
Are you a police officer?
no.
You're not? Okay, good. All right, ma'am. I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Please step out of the car for me, please. You're under arrest.
Whatever you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for
Whatever
me.
you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for
Whatever
me.
you want, sir.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am.
You set me out of the car.
Ma'am, are you going to come out of the car on your own?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. And you know it.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, careful. Careful.
Oh, that's
Turn around for me.
not.
Place your hands behind your back for me.
Jesse.
Ma'am, so you're aware you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned.
I'm excited. I'm grateful.
You understand those?
Yeah.
As I explained, you already asked for an attorney, so I'm not going to ask you any further questions.
Just keep walking, man. Towards my car back here.
Really?
Towards my car. Keep walking.
Jesse,
Keep walking.
don't touch me like that.
Get in the car.
Do you
Sit in
think
the
you
car.
are?
Sit in the car. Move your
Yeah,
feet.
I love your cunt. You're gonna suck.
Yeah. Okay, just so you're aware. Any reason why you were stepped out of your vehicle on Main Street and getting out of your vehicle and putting your fingers up in the air for everybody to see?
Any reason for that?
Yeah.
No.
Exiting your vehicle in her lane of
I
travel.
just had to give her stuff,
Okay.
but that was it.
The other side of it is first time making a gesture. Do you have anything else you need?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
But he's got out at Main Street down there, put two fingers up in the air.
They put us in our own pits.
Step out.
Good, yeah. Let's see how you put us in our own pits.
You urinate back here?
Yeah, where's my husband?
Your husband's not here. Okay.
Oh my god, go
Step out right
yourself.
here for me.
Good. Good. I can't wait.
Follow me inside.
Good. Oh my god. I'm so wait for my husband to see this. I can't wait for my husband to see this.
You go to the left here.
Your way.
can just sit in this little chair over here.
Good.
It's right here for me.
No.
Just need you to sit down now.
Love you. What's your name?
My name is Officer Iverson.
Good.
I'm just trying to help you, man, okay?
I will love you in my end.
Stand up. Put your arms behind
I'm
that.
sorry. No,
We'll just recover, okay?
I'm just saying. Stop. I'm sorry.
Were they too tight?
It hurts.
I can do two of them if that makes it easier. Is that better?
That's really much better. Oh my god. Thank you.
Please just don't jump out of the cuffs, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Can you just take a seat back for me, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm 14 of us. Can you get a chance to give me a call?
Yours coming back is that my husband.
Can you sit back down for me, ma'am?
I'm my husband
Do you hear me, ma'am?
is,
Can you sit back down for me?
but my husband
Yeah, if
is.
you're not going to cooperate, you're going to go in the room, okay? Sit back down on the chair for me. Are you going to sit back down?
No, I need to.
All right, go in this room.
No.
Hold on 1 minute. Did you see that? Amber's making the arrest way more complicated than it needs to be. If you're hooked on this story and want to see more jaw-dropping incidents where entitlement meets justice, now's the perfect time to hit the subscribe button. At Advocacy Alchemy, we bring you real-life cases with a legal twist. And trust me, there's so much more to learn. Go ahead, hit subscribe, and let's dive back into the action.
I don't do it. Please.
Stop it! Put your hands behind your back right now.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please stop.
Somebody want 3.
Help me. Help me. Stop. I'm not doing anything here.
Put your hands on your back. Stop it! Put your hands behind your back. Stop! Stop resisting!
No. Why?
Put your hands.
You're wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hand. Put your head behind your back. Put your... Stop!
You're wrong! You're wrong! You're wrong! You're gonna kill me! You're wrong! You're wrong!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Please.
I'll kill you! 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 I'll find a way! I'll kill you, you piece of shit!
This one.
Yeah! Sir!
They're double locked.
Oh my God! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! I'll make sure you run. I'll f***ing ruin you. My husband's a cop. I make sure I'll ruin you, you f***ing cunt. Yeah, my husband's a cop. You with the wrong Mexican. Yeah, you cunt. Let loose now, you. I'll ruin your entire life. I'll ruin your mother. Get the fuck. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. How dare you touch me?
Wimmer, can you grab Hobble?
Look at me up! Look me up! No! 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 I swear to God, you loosen me up.
This one right
I'm a cop's wife. You
So double.
I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. You so ruin your life.
Walk on this one. Just go.
Yeah, she's good.
No. You better help me. You better help me. Oh my God. Get you. Let me let go. Let me let go. Let me let go. It hurts. I didn't do anything.
We can get her up. Let's get her seated.
So roll your onto your side. Keep your legs out in front of you. And then 1, 2, 3, we're up.
Oh my God.
Have a seat, please. Just sit down.
Thank God.
Just keep seated, okay?
No.
Just keep seated.
They're gonna kill me.
You're okay.
Okay. Do you wish to talk to an attorney?
Absolutely.
Okay. As soon as you get to jail, you can talk to an attorney, okay?
You're goddamn right.
All right. Perfect. We're going to get you medically cleared. You'll be fine. Then you can go up to jail.
Hi. How are you?
What's going on? Just go check out, okay? Cooperate with them, please.
What'd you do to your head?
But you do it.
I didn't touch you, so
Is
that's
there
why I'm
something wrong
asking.
with
You want to know? Just go check it out.
So you get the corner of that.
Are you hurt?
When she was fighting.
No.
You don't know? Okay.
There's something wrong.
What did you guys take from me?
Do you
There's something wrong.
We're just asking you because we don't know how you feel, so I'm asking.
Yeah, thank
I'm asking you if you hurt anywhere.
It hurts my wrist.
Your wrist.
I can't do it.
Yeah,
You heard
just from
anywhere?
the,
I've got carpal tendons. I can't do my wrist.
I'm gonna adjust your shirt, okay? Is that okay?
But I can't do my wrist. It hurts.
There. You'll cover it up a little better.
Self.
No, we were waiting.
We're Americans here.
Take a look at your
It
stuff.
hurts.
I know, it's gonna squeeze, but if arm, it won't hurt so bad, okay?
Alright, Glock pistol, it is a 380 Glock 42, serial number Adam Young, Paul 785. It has a fully loaded magazine, 6-round magazine, and it has one in the chamber. This one was removed from the chamber, 6 full magazine. Firearm secured. Secured for safety really quick.
You have extensions in? Yeah. you
Yes,
do.
I have extensions.
Okay, I'm not gonna mess with them. I just want to make sure that maybe that's what's
the
going
problem
on.
is, yeah. It does look like it's kind of coming
coming
from there, but
underneath.
I don't see like any
No.
scalp like any split or anything. Not that I can tell.
No, I don't
initially,
see
at least.
Good, I'm not trauma in my extensions. I'm excited about that. Next subject.
We don't have to check you out if you don't want us to.
I don't want to clear the scene anymore. Thank you.
Can we look at it?
Can we keep kind of assessing you, or are you not wanting to
Oh, you go
have
for
any?
it.
Okay.
Can you just keep your head real still, just so we can shine a light and make sure that everything looks okay?
No, she struggled with
Just
this
turn
and with the officer. And she
My husband's a police officer. Go yourselves. So you're all. He's gonna talk.
Where's he work?
Yeah, you probably talk shit to you.
Yeah, we're not police officers. We're
Yeah,
just
good.
firefighters.
No, do it. He's police and an officer, firefighter. So, guy, he's a big double sword. And
Okay.
he gets to talk double shit.
Are you feeling any pain besides?
No, I'm not. I'm not. Nobody listens to me. Not even a cop. Hi.
Still got to provide your medical aid now.
So cute.
Hey, kind of weird.
Good. He's a type of husband, and he's one of you guys, and he's a say this is crazy. Oh, apparently I'm handcuffed, so
Yeah.
you're still.
You want your glasses up?
just to,
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah. Is that better?
Good.
Oh, you know what?
Good.
Let me help you. It's
Good.
not on your ear. That's why.
Yeah,
Is that better?
I will
I think over
Okay.
the biggest one
give
possible.
it to me. Give it to me. Give it. Yeah. I love him. But it's like it's not working.
So Amber, you don't want to go to the hospital with us. We're just gonna have you acknowledge that you don't want to go. We're just
How do you know this?
we're just gonna call our doctor.
You're so
E-R-A-K-E.
Yes, sir.
Last name.
Give me.
Let me go get the phone real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna cry. I can't see you. You're killing me. I love you. I'm gonna cry. You're literally me. I can't cry.
Sam, we're gonna walk the car.
I'll fall down.
We're gonna go back in the patrol car, okay?
Take small steps.
I don't know how you do it.
You're doing
No.
good. Just keep walking, okay?
Oh my God, no.
It's right here to the car, okay?
This is so bad. This is bad.
Watch your step.
This is so
Watch your
bad.
step. Don't fall. Just take a seat
This
back
is
in here.
so bad.
You want to stay there? I'll pull the seatbelts over.
Oh, this sucks. I know it. I've been there. Oh my God. Oh my God. You at least have some socks on.
Yeah, I'll give you socks, ma'am.
I don't have socks on. Baby, my feet, I get cold. Oh, look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, now. Will you kiss me?
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Oh, no. Roll the window down. Jesse, roll the windows down. I need to breathe. I mean it. Roll the window down.
Let's break down the legal issues in this case and discuss some of the key aspects of firearm laws in Washington State. Number one, DUI laws in Washington State, found at the Revised Code of Washington 46.61.502. Amber was stopped under suspicion of DUI after erratic driving. In Washington, it's illegal to operate a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or higher, or while under the influence of intoxicating substances. Amber's refusal to cooperate with a field sobriety test and her erratic behavior further escalated the situation. Number two, resisting arrest, found at 9A.76.040. Resisting arrest is a misdemeanor in Washington, punishable by up to 364 days in jail. That's 1 day short of a year. Amber's actions, freeing herself from handcuffs and physically resisting officers, fall squarely under this statute. Number three, assault in the fourth degree. This is found at 9A.36.041. Amber's combative behavior during her arrest raises the possibility of assault charges if any physical contact occurred with the officers. Number four, firearm laws in Washington State. The discovery of a loaded firearm in Amber's vehicle, remember she told the officer she had a .380 and they found one, adds another layer of complexity. Let's clarify Washington's laws regarding firearms. Open carry. Open carry of a firearm is generally legal without a permit, provided the individual is at least 21 years old and legally permitted to possess a firearm. However, open carry is prohibited in certain areas, like the state capitol and within 250 feet of public demonstrations. Concealed carry and loaded firearms. A concealed pistol license is required to carry a concealed firearm on one's person or to have a loaded pistol in a vehicle. Even if a firearm is carried openly, a CPL is required for it to be loaded in a vehicle. Loaded versus unloaded. Openly carrying an unloaded firearm is permitted without a CPL. However, carrying a loaded firearm in public or in a vehicle without proper licensing can lead to legal consequences. For example, in Amber's case, if Amber lacked a CPL, her possession of a loaded firearm in her vehicle could result in an additional charge. Why the distinction matters. Let's start with open carry. All right, this is visible to the public, providing transparency about the presence of a firearm. It's right there on your hip. It's right there in the front where you can see it. It's out in the open where all can see. Concealed carry. This keeps a firearm hidden, requiring a higher level of responsibility and authorization, as evidenced by the CPL requirements. Let's talk about firearm ownership. While no license is required to own a firearm in Washington, individuals must be at least 21 years old to purchase handguns or semi-automatic rifles, and they must pass a background check. All right, now laws changed a little bit back in 2023. Stricter laws were implemented, including a ban on the sale of certain assault rifles and assault weapons generally, and there were limits on magazine capacities. Now, let's explore all 6 evidentiary standards, including their definitions, examples, and equivalent percentages. These standards are critical in both criminal and civil contexts, helping us understand how evidence is weighed in the legal system. Number 1, mere suspicion. This is about 5 to 10%. Mere suspicion is the lowest evidentiary standard. It's best described as a hunch or a gut feeling without concrete evidence to support it. A good example is the officer initially stopped Amber because her driving was erratic, raising mere suspicion that something was wrong. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. We should say this is about 10 to 25% of the evidence points to someone being guilty of a crime. Reasonable suspicion requires specific and articulable facts that suggest criminal activity. It's stronger than a hunch, but does not require full proof. A good example, Amber's slurred speech and evasive behavior during the stop gave the officer reasonable suspicion that she was under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Number 3, probable cause. That's about 35%. Probable cause requires enough evidence to make a reasonable person believe that a crime has been committed. It's the standard for arrests and searches. A good example, Amber refused to perform field sobriety tests and the officer smelled alcohol. These facts provided probable cause to arrest her for DUI. A clarifying point, here she asked for a lawyer to be present, so when that happens, you will be arrested. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence, about 51%. Preponderance of the evidence is the standard used in most civil cases. It requires that the evidence shows that it's more likely than not, which means greater than 50%, that a claim is true. A good example, if Amber were to challenge her license suspension in a civil administrative hearing, the state would only need to show by a preponderance of the evidence that her DUI likely occurred. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This is up to 75%. Clear and convincing evidence is a higher standard than preponderance, but lower than beyond a reasonable doubt. It requires a high probability that a claim is true. A good example, if Amber's behavior during her arrest were evaluated for involuntary commitment due to danger to herself or others, the state would need to show clear and convincing evidence of her mental state and risk posed. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. This is 90 to 95%. Beyond a reasonable doubt is the highest evidentiary standard used exclusively in criminal cases to secure a conviction. Conviction brings forth the punishment, which is either usually prison time or a fine or some restriction. All right, it requires near certainty of the defendant's guilt. A good example, for Amber to be convicted of DUI, the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she was impaired while driving. This case is a crystal clear reminder that entitlement and poor decisions are a recipe for disaster. Amber's behavior turned a routine DUI stop into a full-blown legal circus. And check this out, it didn't have to end that way. Let's face it, no one cares if you're married to a cop or look great in your mugshot. None of that excuses you from driving drunk. The law doesn't care about personal connections or status. And it certainly doesn't care how attractive you are when you put lives at risk. Sobriety, not charm, is the real ticket to avoiding this kind of trouble. Amber's choices escalated a situation that could have been resolved quickly and calmly. The lesson here, respect the law, stay sober behind the wheel, and don't rely on who you know to get you out of a mess that you created. What do you think? Could Amber have avoided this? Let me know in the comments. And remember, this is Advocacy Alchemy, and I am Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.